welcome to yet another episode of the News and Map series. Let's begin with the practice question. Which of the following is or are the tributary or tributaries of Brahmaputra? Dibang, Kameng, Lohit. So I hope you have answered it correctly. Let us look at the map for a better understanding. As you can see, this is the river Brahmaputra and there are many tributaries that are joining it. Dibang, Lohit and Kameng are its major tributaries. So all three are the tributaries of Brahmaputra. 1, 2 and 3. Option D here is going to be the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The Truro Shoal, Macclesfield Bank and Reed Table Mount lie in the Mediterranean Sea, South China Sea, Caribbean Sea, Black Sea. Let us look at it. Now as we can see, here is Truro Shoal, Macclesfield Bank and also Reed Table Mount. All these form a part of the South China Sea. Alright, so here we have the answer for it. The answer is South China Sea, that is option B. Arrange the following capitals of Central Asian countries from south to north. That means we have to go from the bottom to top. Bishkek, Tashkent, Ashgabat, Dushanbe. So here we have Bishkek of Kyrgyzstan. Then we have Tashkent of Uzbekistan. We have Dushanbe of Tajikistan and Ashgabat of Turkmenistan. First we will have to go from south to north. First we will have Ashgabat, then we will have Dushanbe, then we will have Tashkent and finally we will have Bishkek. Okay, so Ashgabat, Dushanbe, Tashkent, Bishkek. Okay, Ashgabat, Dushanbe, Tashkent, Bishkek. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1 is going to be the correct answer. However, by mistake here it is given north to south. So just remember this mistake. I'm sorry for this mistake. 3, 4, 2, 1 is the correct answer. From south to north we had to go. Moving on. A person travels from New Delhi to Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh, using only inland riverine waterway. Which of the following cities will not fall en route during the course? Major cities which are going to fall through this region, through the inland riverine waterway, are of course going to be on the river Ganga. Okay, so Varanasi, Farakka, Lucknow, Patna. Here we have to choose it. Here is the Ganges or the Ganga river. Allahabad is going to be there, but of course it's not given in our options. So Varanasi is falling here. Patna is also there, but you can see Lucknow is not here because Lucknow is here. So among the 4 given options, we have Varanasi, Patna, Farakka and Lucknow. So Lucknow is not going to be one of our answers. 3 is going to be correct. So let's see, the major river we have chosen here is the Ganges river. Lucknow will be out of the question. Varanasi, Farakka and Patna are going to be falling en route. Moving on, consider the following pairs. We have to match the water bodies to the country they are associated with. Celebes Sea, Philippines, Flores Sea, Indonesia, Timor Sea, Australia. Which ones are correctly matched? Let us first of all see Celebes Sea. Celebes Sea is yes associated with the Philippines. Then we have Timor Sea. Timor Sea is to the northwest of Australia, that is also correct. And we have Flores Sea. Flores Sea is also related with Indonesia. Okay, so all 3 rivers are correctly matched. Alright, so all 3 pairs, option C here is going to be correct. Moving on to the next set of questions. Which of the following share a border with Zimbabwe? Mozambique, Botswana, Malawi, Angola. Let us see which of the following countries have a border with Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe has a border with Mozambique, okay, South Africa, Botswana and Zambia. Alright, so let us see if we have them in the option. Okay, so yes, Botswana and Mozambique are sharing a border with Zimbabwe, but not Malawi and Angola. So 1 and 2 is going to be the correct answer. Option here is the correct answer. Moving on to the next set of questions. Consider the following statements. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, lies in the Hokkaido Islands of Japan. Japan lies partially south of the Tropic of Cancer. So let us see Tokyo. Tokyo actually lies in the Honshu Island of Japan. Okay, there is Hokkaido, then Honshu, then Shikoku, and then finally Kyushu. Okay, and these islands actually lie completely north of the Tropic of Cancer. There is no partiality here. So first is incorrect, also second is incorrect. So none of these statements are correct, neither 1 nor 2 is going to be the correct answer. Moving on to the next set of questions, consider the following pairs. We have to match the important straits and channels and the joining regions. North Channel, Irish Sea and Atlantic Ocean, Bonifacio Strait, Madagascar, Mozambique, Gibraltar Strait, Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Ocean. First of all, let us see North Channel. Yes, as we can see, it is joining the important regions of Atlantic Ocean and Irish Sea. Okay, this is the North Channel. So first statement is correct. Okay, then we have Bonifacio Strait. Bonifacio Strait lies between Corsica and Sardinia near Italy. Okay, so that makes the second pair to be incorrect, not Madagascar and Mozambique. Then Gibraltar Strait, Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Here is Strait of Gibraltar between Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Alright, so that makes the first and third pair to be the correct ones, but not the second one. Option D here is correct. Moving on to the next set of questions. Now arrange the following protected areas in Western Ghats from south to north. That means we have to go from the bottom to top. Eravikulam National Park, Silent Valley National Park, Bandipur National Park, Periyar National Park. Let us see how are they arranged. If we have to talk about national parks in Western Ghats, first we have Periyar National Park, then here we have Eravikulam National Park, then Silent Valley National Park, and then Bandipur National Park and Tiger Reserve. Alright, so first we will have Periyar, then we will have Eravikulam, then we will have Silent Valley, and finally we have Bandipur. That is option C. Option C is the correct one here. Moving on to the next set of questions. At which of the following states does the Tropic of Cancer and the standard timeline of India intersect? Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. The answer is very clear here. These are the lines that are intersecting in Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh is the correct answer. Option D here is the correct answer. Then this is a question from UPSC Prelims 2014. Turkey is located between Black Sea and Caspian Sea, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Suez and Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Aqaba and Dead Sea. So here we have the map of Turkey or Turkey, and it is situated between Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Alright, so Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea, option B is the correct answer. Now this is a practice question for your next segment. The Alps do not pass through which of the following countries? Romania, Slovenia, Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Alright, I hope you understood this segment well. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.